Hello people, what's up? Today I'm going to talk with you about the new Vivo V9 phone. Well, we have recently come to know Chinese smartphone maker Vivo through its cool technology, including the first working in-display fingerprint sensor on a phone, the stunning Apex concept device with its pop-up selfie cam, and a growing interest in photo-enhancing artificial intelligence. It's now reminding us it makes phones we can actually buy with the announcement of the Vivo V9, a flagship phone with a quite astonishing 90% screen-to-body ratio and a selfie cam with beauty-enhancing AL trained on a million faces. Before we go much further, yes, the screen has a notch. The controversial design feature is being adopted by many players in the mobile industry and is frustrating some due to its limited functionality. On the Vivo V9, it takes a small chunk out of the 6.3 inches screen, which has an unusual 19:9 aspect ratio and incredibly slim 1.7mm side bezels. This is 19% smaller than the bezels seen on the last phone that we have tried, the Vivo V7 Plus. The phone's body is curved to fit in your hand and comes in either pearl black or gold colors. The notch isn't the only V9 design feature we are seeing on other phones. On the back is a dual lens camera that's vertically stacked, just like the phone that is the iPhone X and a growing number of other devices. It's made up of 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel lenses and exploits an AL-based algorithm for accurate bokeh-style shots, where the subject is precisely targeted to reduce poor edge blur. However, it's on the 24 megapixel selfie camera that Vivo's AL works hardest. The algorithm has been trained using a million facial feature images and will apply the right beauty setting for your age, gender, skin tone, and texture. It goes on to learn from your customizations, getting better the more you use it. Additionally, the AL assists in creating interesting portrait shots with different lighting effects, including studio lighting, monochrome backgrounds, natural lighting, and stereo lighting. Finally, Vivo has added in some augmented reality stickers for the selfie mode too. Vivo has always embraced the selfie and is definitely not slowing down on the V9. The AL is also used outside the camera and in a similar way to Huawei, where it helps speed up frequently used apps and optimizing the operating system. The V9 has an updated face unlock feature which can also be used to secure files and photos. We are waiting for all of the final technical specifications, but do know a Snapdragon 626 processor with 4 GB of RAM provides the power, and there is 64 GB of storage space inside. Android 8.1 Oreo is installed, which we would expect to be overlaid with Vivo's own user interface. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is known as Electronics Product Review. Well, if you want to know more about this mobile, Vivo V9, then you can check out the description too. Thank you for watching.